Jennifer, and I'm so excited and happy you're here for my video today. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe. Today I'm making Tennessee onions. I'm going to take a big onion and slice it into portions. Now that I have all of my onions laid out on a piece of foil that's non-stick, and I sprayed the foil too, I don't want them to stick. I'm going to go around and just sprinkle some salt on the top of each one. I'm going to add some garlic powder and some oregano. I'm going to add a pat of butter to the top of each onion pile. Now I'm going to add some triple cheddar cheese on top. You can add whatever cheese you like. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan and Romano cheese. Now that our onions are all ready, I'm going to take these to our preheated oven, and I'm going to bake these at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. We'll want to make sure that our onions are nice and soft and the cheese is all melted well on the top. I am so glad you were here. I had so much fun making this video and sharing it. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.